AI. We have all heard about AI and think it's the technology of the future. But did you know that AI is all around you? AI is used in advertising, recommendations on products on websites like Amazon and Google Assistant, which is conveniently the topic of today's video. Google Assistant is a very underused Google software with many features that are very helpful. So today I'm going to talk about some awesome features of Google Assistant. Let's get started. Number 1, reminders. Reminders are used to, remind you about things. These reminders are very helpful for something you have to do and cannot forget at any cost. You can set reminders for a specific time, once or for a year. It is so useful that I almost every day use it to remind me of my online classes for the entire year. You can set up a reminder by saying something like this. Okay Google, remind me at 9 a.m. to attend my online classes every day.
Alright, I'll remind you every day at 9 a.m.
And you can cancel by saying something like this. Okay Google, cancel my reminder.
This will delete all instances of that repeating reminder. Is that okay?
Yes.
Alright, the reminder, every day at 9 a.m., attend my online classes is cancelled.
I love this feature and I wish I knew this before. Number 2, live scores. Look, I'm a big sports fan and I follow sports. But sometimes it is very hard to find the details about a game when you are not at your home or can't see the broadcast of the game. In Google Assistant, you can say the name of the game and two teams to get the live score of the match. You can even do this for past matches. For example, you can say, okay Google, India vs England Test Match 2021. As you can see, it showed the score. This is an example of a past match. As I said, this is very useful for a fellow sports fan like me. Number 3, find the song. I think everyone has experienced this, where you know the start of the song or the lyrics, but forget the name of the song. And you got to search on Google the lyrics, you don't find anything most of the time. But Google Assistant has a solution. It can find most songs for you in this situation. Just say, what song is this on Google Assistant and then sing the song to it. Google Assistant will just say the name of the song and it's that simple. And you will never forget a song again. Number 4, 3D animals. In Google Assistant, you can see animals in 3D. Yes, this is not as useful as a feature, but you can't deny this is cool. You can see Bengal tigers, great white sharks, and even giant panda eating a bamboo. Also, in some phones, you can see them in the real world. This is probably the least useful of the 5 features, but I think it's worthy enough to be included in the list. Number 5, fun games. You know when you're bored and have nothing better to do and just sit there until you have something to do? Well, do something with Google Assistant with a game or a quiz. Just say, okay Google, I want to play a game. And choose any game you want. I personally like the I am feeling lucky quiz made by Google themselves. This might turn a boring queue or into a fun and entertaining wait. Also, you have plenty of options on games, not just this game. Just say a topic you want and there is probably a game or a quiz on it. And thank you guys for watching. Click on the left to subscribe. Click on the right to see one of our other videos. If you like this video, hit a like down below and we will see you in the next video. Bye.